Welcome to the Felt Store YouTube channel. Today, we will show you how to measure your foot for our felt boot liners and how to use the size charts found on the product pages of each boot liner style on our Felt Store website. First, put on socks that you will wear with your winter boots. You will need to measure your foot in these to accommodate the socks in the liner. Stand with your heels flush against a wall. Slide a sheet of paper under your foot, making sure to put it against the wall as well. Mark on the paper where the longest toe ends. Use a ruler to draw a straight line from the mark you just made to the edge of the paper that meets the wall. Now measure how long this line is. Mine was 23.5 centimeters or 9¼ inches long. Locate the correct size chart for the style of boot liner you want. Find your measurement in the left side of the size chart where it says foot measurements. Then look across the row to the right side of the chart where it says liner size range and find which sizes are listed there for your measurement. Please note that our boot liners are only for use with boots that have removable liners. Time to try them on. I'm trying on a snug fit. Test the fit of the boot liners by walking around. See how they feel. Quick tip: put on your winter boots with the boot liners already on your feet for an easier time getting them on. And that's how to measure your feet and choose a size for our felt boot liners. Thanks for watching!